Right, reactions that are coming in from across the cricket world in India. Everyone caught unawares, shocked by these latest developments. Even the owners of the Rajasthan Royals, the owners of the team, saying that they are shocked. A lot of sympathy at the moment for the captain Rahul Dravid, saying that he would particularly be hurt by the actions of his teammates, of the three Rajasthan Royal players. The big question, of course, being asked whether the captain himself, Rahul Dravid, will also be questioned or not in connection with the spot fixing scandal. This is the big story of the day. It broke early this morning. The three players were arrested by a special cell of Delhi police. They arrested the three cricketers in Mumbai at 2:30 a.m. which was soon after the match between the Rajasthan Royals and the Mumbai Indians were wrapped up. The cricketers were back in their hotel rooms and they were arrested after the match was wrapped up. The match, of course, was lost by Rajasthan Royals. Mumbai Indians won that match by 14 runs. In fact, we are taking you through the past controversies in the IPL. The IPL, of course, hugely popular, but being in the news as much for the controversies as well, beginning in 2008, where Harbhajan faced a 11-match ban after slapping Sreesanth. Once again, Sreesanth was part of that controversy. In 2011, a few years later, the Kochi Tuskers Kerala franchise was terminated. Also, the RCB's Australian player Luke was held for molesting a woman in Delhi. The IPL there certainly being in the news for all the wrong reasons. Late to last year as well, in 2012, RCB's player Luke was held for molesting a woman in Delhi. In 2012, the famous case of Shah Rukh Khan being banned from the Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai for 5 years. That ban continues this season as well. He's not been allowed to sit for his matches, for the matches of his team, Kolkata Knight Riders there, for each time they played at the Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai. Again, once again, last year, 5 players from various teams were suspended for spot fixing. So this time around, spot fixing once again catching the eye of the storm there for the IPL. Right, let's speak to our correspondent Payal Mehta with us over the phone line. Payal, you've been getting us all these details of the spot fixing scandal that broke at 2:30 a.m. this morning. Tell us, what more can you tell us? We do know that the web of this case is widening. There's a Hawala angle there. We're getting in news of another cricketer arrested as well, not confirmed whether the 4th cricketer is also of the Rajasthan Royals team or not. Please get us up to date with the latest on that.
The latest that we're hearing on this entire matter is that yes, there is another cricketer who's being named. We are also not too sure whether or not he or she is from the Rajasthan Royals. But this case seems to be widening. We're also hearing reports that the alleged cricketers were given rupees 16 lakhs, around 16 lakhs for fixing one over and basically bowling about 20 allowing 20 runs to be scored of that particular over. These are the reports that are coming in. We're also hearing that there are links that are being associated. The police has, as we mentioned in the past, the police has documentation. They have electronic documentation against Sreesanth in particular. And
Payal, stay with us. Sorry for the interruption. Breaking news.